Hey boy, what's your name? Shawty, what's your name is? What's up, squad? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So today's video we're going to be doing some unboxing from the IPSY GLAM bag video for this month. I know it's a little bit late in the game to be putting that on YouTube and expecting you guys to watch it, but I still want to kind of stick true to what my channel was and how my channel kind of grew, because I did do a lot of boxing videos of Birchbox and IPSY and other stuff like that. So I want to come on here and do an unboxing of my IPSY bag for this month, which is July. So if you guys are interested in what I received this month, then just keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Join the XO squad because it's lit on this side of YouTube. Last but not least, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, turn your post notification bells on, and share this video with your girlfriends or your guy friends who love makeup and who will definitely be interested in me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. This my IPSY bag is very much mermaid, holographic, Azealia Banks, 212, Ice Queen tees. It is so metallic, it is so holographic, it's minimalistic, but it screams mermaid. Like, honestly, I feel like the teal of this bag is cute, but I don't know how I feel about holographic themes. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I kind of feel over it, to be honest, as I have holographic eyeshadow on. I kind of feel a little bit over the whole mermaid holographic ordeal. I feel like it's a little bit played out. I feel like a lot of these brands are like shoving holographic themes down our throats, and I just want something new to come out. But this bag is very much beautiful. Not to say it's a bad bag. I actually do like this bag. I actually will be keeping this bag and not giving it away. Again, I also do have a giveaway on my channel that's still going on. If you guys are interested in printing a free IPSY GLAM bag, I will leave that information below so you guys can get you a glam bag to try out on me. I am buying the glam bag and I'm sending it your way. Information is down below. Yes, free glam bag by Niko. Down below, check it out, how to get your free glam bag. But other than that, we're going to move right on into what's inside this bag. For those who don't know what IPSY is, IPSY is a subscription box where you pay $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe sample products. Sometimes you will get full-size items depending on what the brand decides to send out for you. You do take a quiz, and then based off of the generalization of the quiz, you will get 5 sample deluxe or full-size items sent to your house for $10 a month. I also have a link below, and it's not an affiliate link. I do not get paid from IPSY, nor am I an IPSY creator, nor am I on IPSY payroll, nor am I an IPSY iOS member. We're going to talk about that later why I'm not an IPSY iOS member. But I do have a link below if you guys are interested in signing up for IPSY, because I have been reviewing IPSY on my channel for almost 2 years now, and I still support them. Other than that, let's go ahead and get right on into what's inside this bag for this month. This month's IPSY theme is all about summer. It's so summery, ready to dive into summer. It has my girl Say the Less, aka Jalisa. I love Jalisa a lot. Her and Alyssa Forever are like the best friend goals that I wish I had on YouTube. They are so fun and so funny together. I support these two women of color hands down. So Jalissa, aka Save the Less, is the face of this bag. And on the back is just a little bit of information that pertains to IPSY. It does not tell you what products you have inside, but it just gives you a little bit of information on how to prepare for the summer by wearing SPF and other stuff like that. So, hey Jalissa, hey girl, you cute. The first item that I pull out is from Ofra. This is my second item that I received from Ofra. This is an eyeshadow in the shade Exquisite. Oh, it's a large pan eyeshadow. Normally they send like those little miniature eyeshadows, but this is a large pan Let me go ahead and swatch her. She is a black eyeshadow with silver flakes in it. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my Z palettes that I have in my collection. I feel like I could be able to use this for a cute little smoky eye in the near future. So if you guys want to see me use some of these IPSY items, full face using IPSY items. Ooh, that's a cute video. If you guys want to see me do a full face using IPSY items, then comment below. Comment below if you want to see me do a full face using IPSY items. The next item I got is a skincare item. You guys know I love skincare. This is the Havaha. This is the Havaha Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. Okay, nothing bad to say about this brand or the product. I really want IPSY to spice it up with their skincare products. Like, I feel like I always get cleansers and masks, sometimes a moisturizer. Where's the serums? Where's the eye creams? Where's the lip plumpers? What's up, IPSY? Like, there's more to skincare than masks, exfoliators, and cleansers. I'm gonna have to try this out. Let you guys know how I feel about it. Who knows? But moving right along into the next item in my IPSY Glam bag, I have an item from Half Baked. This is the lip fondant in the shade Girl Crush. Oh, well, hello. Packaging is A1. I live for this whole like cake theme. The wand, the doe foot wand in this is dope. It's like a horse hoof doe foot, so it's going to be able to kind of fit and tailor to your lip shape. The color is like a burnt hot orange. I'm feeling the color. I'm feeling it. This is vegan tested, vegan approved, so there are no animal byproducts. And I wonder if this is also cruelty-free. I'm going to definitely check out below if it's cruelty-free. And this is made in Tampa, Florida. So shout out to Half Cake. I will be checking you guys out a little bit more because you guys are from Florida. I'm from Florida. Shout out to you. But this will be pretty as a liner. The next item I have in my glam bag is from Sugar. This is a Kajal liner. This is the Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kajal in the shade Green Light. Go ahead and swatch this right here on my hand. Oh, she is pretty. Get into that reflex. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my liners to reach for section that's on my desk here where I record. I definitely want to give this a go. Actually, you know what? Today is the day. Let's see how she glides. Oh, she is very pigmented, very full body. I'm talking like I'm drinking. She is very full body. And I'm living for it. I'm honestly here for this. This color is kind of like a Joker green. And then the last item that was in my IPSY Glam bag is from IPSY Beauty. This is their eyeshadow brush. I'm assuming this is like a flat shader to be able to pack on eyeshadows on the lid. Really pretty. I love IPSY because they do give out free full-size brushes that pretty much cost more than the bag itself. If you do your quiz right, then maybe you can also get brushes. Every month I have gotten a brush with IPSY. So that's why I don't really complain too much about the stuff that I do get from IPSY. And I don't mind giving IPSY my money because I do get brushes every month and then other products to try out. And I feel like by me subscribing to them, I get a brush for 10 bucks and 4 other products to try out. With or without the brush. But I get a brush every month. So, not mad at it. I will be placing this in the brush roll to try out in the near future. So, full face of IPSY. If you guys are interested in doing that, leave in the comment section below. I'll do a full face using IPSY products. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up my IPSY unbagging. Overall, my review and everything that I thought about IPSY bag for this month for the stuff that I got. It is a 10 out of 10. I love almost every item that I received, from the eyeshadow to the lip fondant to the liner. The mud mask is not really personalized so much because I feel like I always get that in my IPSY Glam bag. I always get some type of skincare item in my IPSY Glam bags where it ranges from a mask to a mask to a mask for the past 3 months. But I will be excited to give this Dead Sea exfoliating mud mask a go. And then of course the eyeshadow brush. I love brushes. I can't get enough of brushes. So overall this is a 10 out of 10. Can't complain, except for the fact that IPSY need to switch up their skincare products. Do that for me, sis, if you can. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you made it this far in this video and you live for it, check out the description bar below so you guys can win you a free IPSY Glam bag. I will be giving out 5 IPSY Glam bags. I repeat, I will be giving out 5 IPSY Glam bags. I repeat, I will be giving out 5 IPSY Glam bags to one of you guys here on my channel. That is my 2.5 giveaway. Free IPSY Glam bag from me. All you have to do is follow the information down in my detail box below, my description box below, my come and get the deets box below, and it will tell you guys how to win a free glam bag from me. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for helping me hit over 2.5K here on YouTube. Again, continue to slay out there, my girls and boys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I feel like a brand new person in this video.